I'm going to show you a method how to create a crossroad at home. So many people have been asking how to go to the crossroads to give offerings, how we can go in the night. You don't need to do that. There is a method which you can use at home. So you need some kind of salt. Okay, so I'm using this. You make a single line like this. You need this thing, aluminum foil or something like that, which you can wrap up and discard later. So that is why I am using this. Otherwise there is no significance of that. Anything, even paper will do. So if you are keeping some food items and all, then the paper will get wet, or it will be all over the place. So that's why I keep this. Now from like a cross, okay, use visualize this as the crossroad, as a road which is crossing two roads or four roads which are crossing each other. Okay, like this you need to keep. You can use normal salt which we use at home, or you can use Himalayan salt or anything like that you can use. Now in the middle you need to keep something representing Hecate. So I am keeping the moon card from the Witch's Tarot. I am keeping here in the middle. Now you need to keep crystals on four ends. So I am keeping crystals on four ends like this. Okay, now you need to keep four candles, any four candles, here, here, here and here. So four candles, four crystals. Middle you keep, if you have Hecate statue or something like that you can keep. Otherwise you keep a picture, or you can keep the sigil of Hecate also. I am not keeping that now, just I am showing you with this card. Now this card you can get online. You can get the picture and you can take a printout. Now you light all the candles. Not necessary that you need to light from one particular side or anything like that. From anywhere you can light. It is accepted. 1 minute. Or you can take like this also. Just be sure, because I am wearing gloves, I am little scared that my gloves will catch fire. Don't wear gloves. I have told in many of my videos why I am wearing gloves, because I cannot show my hand on camera. That is why. Don't wear gloves when you are doing any ritual. So like this. Okay, four candles, four crystals, and any crystal you can keep, and middle something to represent Hecate. Now your offering, whatever it is, food or anything, whatever it is like that, you need to keep on in the middle, on top of that. If you are keeping the card, on top of the card. If you are not keeping the card, if you are keeping small statue or something, just around the statue. Or if you are keeping sigil also, just around the sigil you keep it like that for at least 1 hour. Let the candles burn out. Say I am using these small candles. See, these candles are meant for like this kind of rituals which will last for a little time. So the candles will burn out. So the candles has to burn out completely. Do not snuff, do not blow out. Once the candles are burned out completely and it dies out, then you wrap the whole thing. Take out the crystals. You can take out, if you are keeping a statue or a sigil or whatever it is like that, you can take it out. Otherwise just the crystals like that. If you are keeping the card also, you can take it out, and then you keep all the offerings will be there. You just wrap it up and throw it outside your home. This you can do at any time. Doesn't have to be night or day. Any time you can do. So this is how you do the crossroads, you make the crossroads at home and you give the offerings for any spell. I hope you like this. Please comment if you need to know anything more.